following message has been transmitted at the request of the Albuquerque Police Department. At 6:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a large pink and red portal has opened in the middle of Balloon Fiesta Park at this time. The origin of this portal are unknown. As a precaution, all residents in Albuquerque are strongly advised to close and lock all doors and windows, and do not try to enter the portal yourself, as it could be potentially dangerous. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this unusual situation.